Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TBLT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. Now, the main dynamic here, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while, that, yeah, there was the nasty gap down, but after the gap down, the price essentially just went sideways the entire day. Whereas, like I said, for those of you that have traded for a while, I'm sure you've seen stocks that gap down, and then after the gap down, they just do something like this the entire day and just bleed and bleed and bleed. But that didn't happen here, right? So the price at least went sideways. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price gapped down and just because the price went sideways does not mean that for sure, guaranteed, this is the bottom and there's going to be some sort of big bounce. If only it were that easy. My core point here is it's at least a rational thought to have that this might be some sort of bottom. Case in point, if let's say the price did look something like this, and then I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like this would be the bottom. You'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? Based on what? The price has literally been going down the entire day. But that's not the case right here. It's at least gone sideways. So with that being stated, the key level to watch from the support side of things is right here at 86 for no other reason other than that's just the level where it finally stopped going down. Now, of course, if on Monday the price just blows down through that level, well, then everything I've talked about has been wiped away because it would become very clear at that point that this is not the bottom because all of a sudden the price is putting a new low. So, like, from a very just common sense perspective, that is why 86 cents is going to be very important. Now, from the resistance side of things, the level that I'm very curious about is this resistance trend line right here. So if the price can work its way up there and get the break through it, then there's definitely some room to run. And I get it. Like, I suppose I could do that to make it a little bit easier to see. But yeah, if the price can work its way up there and get the break of there, then that definitely opens up the chart. You know, I'm not saying it's going to send it up to $1.15, but you look here, and because of, you know, the craziness, there's definitely some room now here on the chart for this thing to build some momentum. So next week, taking shape in a very interesting way. So we'll see how it all plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.